What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be playing Flag Wars on Roblox. Yeah. All right. So you guys know the odd ones out. The odd ones out. You know the odd ones out. Do you know the odd ones out? Of course you know the odd ones out. So basically, yeah. If you could comment on his videos, come watch this video. Go watch Danny1234's videos, please. He wants some more viewers, and comment on his video and just write comment on his video, please. I just want the odd ones out to see it. Okay, just want the odd ones out to know I exist. Or you can just tell him, hey, someone exists. But that wouldn't really be... That would be weird. So, how are you doing? How are you doing? Oh, I can get the flag. Jukes. Got the flag. Alright. Oh, come on. Well, I died. So, yeah. I do suck at this game, but what doesn't suck is... Oh, come on! I almost got the flag, and I'm dead. Again. Nancy Plancy. Alright, let's get into it, and blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Da 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 da. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Chicken souls will suck your soul. Share your doom tonight. We're so sorry, sheltered your souls are misunderstood. We should. No one's gonna notice. I'm just like a spider on the roof. Oh, they see me. They notice. Okay, you got me. How was your day? Mine's going well. Just made a video. As you can tell. Oh, come on. Why'd you do that, my guy? Ugh. So anyways, I want you to like and subscribe and... You like my Blackbeard laugh? Write if it's good in the comments. Not it. Yeah. So anyways. Alright, let's get back to it. Ooh. Some more pumpkins. More pumpkins. More pumpkins. How could you? Anyways. Hey, wait, this guy's on blue team. I'm colorblind. I'm not colorblind, but bruh. Today's main goal is actually to get the minigun so I can be overpowered like them, but I still am not good at the game. At all. There's not much talking yet, so let me tell you something. William Afton. Okay, I forgot the lyrics. Oh great, I'm out of ammo. Ooh, pumpkin. Still haven't checked the battle pass yet. I should maybe later in this video. Later. Pumpkin. 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 Alright. Alright, everybody. Alright. It sounds like my voice is annoying, but who cares at all? Hey, hey, I am annoying, I guess. So, are these rocks or smoke bombs? I think they're smoke bombs. I think they're smoke bombs. Oh, Fox. Remember Fox? Yeah, I scrapped him. Probably, okay, I won, baby. I gotta make enough cash to actually make. I'm probably gonna quit, stop doing it like midway in the video. Like midway, it's sort of like in the middle of the game. So yeah, right. Go chat in the comments. Ah, buoy on my neck. Oh wait, no, that's just that. That's weird. Why? Ooh, grenade. Hey, wait, you're not supposed to be here. Get out. This guy just instantly. Get out. Alright. Ooh, I got his money. I took his money. I got his. Candy corn. I think hey just dig it away. I'm just digging away. Dig it. I like digging the ground because I guess. Ooh, purple pumpkins. How much does it give me? Okay, 300 candy corn. Not too much. I could get that from 2 regular pumpkins, but this update was not like the last. Bro, who's shooting? Bro, you're on my side, my guy. Okay, I think he's trying to kill me and get some candy corn too. At the same time, that's the last time I'll ever see him, I think. Well, bye everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But you die. Okay, bye. Bye, bro. Okay, bye, guys. Bye.